All right, so we have a triple tree for a 200X. We're gonna try to powder coat it. So we have to get at least this race off of here and seal. Gonna see if we can loosen up this pinch bolt, drive the stem down, and pop off this race. At this point, you just throw it in the sandblaster. Oh, you get the idea. Have some high temp tape. Will probably not stick to anything, but we're gonna pretend until it works. All right, we got to do the top clamp now. We're gonna powder coat it chrome, which takes a clear coat. So first we're going to put the little smoker here on 400, spray the silver on, bake it for 20 minutes or so, pull it out, let it cool down to about 100 degrees, and then put the clear powder on, stick it back in the oven. So we're gonna do that. So set up 400. So we got our little Harbor Freight powder coat gun. And this is Ultimate Chrome from the powder coat store. Perfect. Come on. All right, we got 2 coats of white. We're going to do a coat of vinyl and fabric black. So we got 2 coats of white, 2 coats of black, and we're going to attempt to wet sand the black off to show the white without breaking through the white. So we have 600 grit here. All right, we're going to switch to 400. I don't have the patience. Well, I think that looks pretty good, except for that little dot there. All right, we're back. It's been about 13 seconds. Don't have the patience to let this actually dry, so we're just gonna hit it. Hopefully with the lightest little, it's not gonna happen, coat, it'll be fine. All right. We have some matte clear, which is also supposed to stick to plastic. Oh, it's matte white, just kidding. That would have been great. All right, we'll be back with the clear. All right, back with the clear, matte clear. And since this paint is pretty fresh, I'm just gonna mist it that much so it doesn't wrinkle up. Let it dry for 5 minutes, come back, maybe hose it off. Yep. All right, back for coat 2. Should do it. All right, next up here, we're gonna clean up the stem. Got some WD-40, Purple Power. WD-40 should break down the oil enough, but the Purple Power can take off the residual schmoo. All right. Guess we can. Pretty good. Use the vise? What do you mean? That would make way too much sense. Do we polish this? No one's ever gonna see. Oh yeah. All right, we're back. Got to figure out how to drive this back in without ruining our powder coat. So we got to try to line this up with that notch there. Hopefully that's close enough. Almost. All right, we did it. Now I have to remember what order all these seals and washers and whatnot go in. Think that's the right one? Yeah, for sure. Okay. Have to assume, probably wrong. That goes there. This goes here. Yeah, that's the only thing that makes sense. Or does it? I mean, this is going to seal against here. No. That's supposed to seal against there. Supposed to. Well, this will seal against the frame. So no washer there. This is to lock that in. Perfect. It's got a mark on it. That'll be from that. All right, we're gonna hope that this is the right way. Or should I just stretch this over after it's all the way on there? Yeah, I think so. So now we need a piece of pipe. All right, we got an old grimy piece of Schedule 40, inch, 1 inch. Jesus. Okay. Almost there. That. Can't spin the washer. All right. What are we doing? The seal. We got our little badge. Just need some double-sided tape. What's left now is our little badge. Put the double-sided tape on it. And try our best to get it centered up here. Bam. And there